Hello everyone and welcome to this video tutorial of Prestashop Product Combinations Table View module. In this video, I'll explain you the process to configure the module, and I'll also show you that how using this module you can easily show a list of combinations in an organized way in the form of a table on your product page, so that your customers can easily know with all the combinations that you are offering on a product. So now let's just go to the Prestashop back office to know more about the functions and the configuration settings of the module. As you can see that I have already installed this module in my Prestashop. So let's just go through each of the options available under the configuration setting one by one. The first option is display product combination on. You can choose to show the combination table on two positions at the product page. The first one is at product page footer and the second one is at the additional info section. I'll just show you the position of each of them one by one so that you can get an idea of the positions. Let's just save for the product page footer first. And this is the product page, and by selecting on the product page footer, the combination table will be shown like this on the product page. In case if you choose to show it at the additional info section, then this table will be moved on to here and it will be shown here in a compact form, but all the sections or the columns you can say will be available here too. Now there was another option that is being added after choosing this position, and rest of the options are same for both the positions, as you may notice now. So let's just see this particular option first, then after that we'll cover these options in detail. As you can see, this particular option has been disabled. This is default combination quantity and add to cart input box. This option allows you to show or hide the default option available to choose the combination or the quantity or the add to cart button available already on the product page. As you can see, this particular option is disabled for now, so no option as to select the combination or the quantity or even the add to cart button will be shown on the product page. But in case if you enable this option, then all the default option available on the product page will be shown now. That is this combination selection, quantity input box, and even the add to cart button. Now let's just go to the product page footer again, and it will be easy to understand each of these options one by one after changing the position of a combination table, and I can show you the significance of each option by enabling or disabling that as per the demand, so that you can see how you can customize the view of your table by using these options. So let's just proceed. First option is display combination image. Let's just disable this option to see the change. As you can see, the image of the product combination is still shown in this combination table because I have not refreshed the page yet after updating this configuration setting. But let's just refresh the page, and as you can see, the image for each of the combination is now hidden from the table. Now next option is under the configuration setting is display combination reference. Let's just disable that option too. As you can see, the reference for each of the combination is shown here in another column available in the table, but on refreshing this page, that particular column is now hidden from the table. Then next is display combination quantity. If I disable this option, then this quantity and in stock all these that in stock will be shown, but this quantity number of the products available on the store will now be hidden. As you can see that now on refreshing the page, it is now hidden. Another thing about this in stock label, in case if any combination of the product is out of stock, then out of stock label will also be shown in the table similarly. Now the next option is combination final price. In case if you enable this option and if any discount is applicable on the product or the combinations of the product, then this combination final price after the application of discount will also be shown. As you can see, this 5% discount is applicable on all the combination of the product, so final price after the deduction of discount is shown in the table. But let's just disable this option first and see what happens. On disabling the option, as you can see that particular column is now hidden from the combination table. Now in case if you enable this option, you may notice that this particular option is being added on enabling it only. This option allows you to show final unit price of a combination of a product on the combination table. Let's just keep it disabled for now and refresh the page. As you can see, price per unit of the product is still not shown in this combination table. That is because no per unit price has been set for the product yet. Let's just go to the product section to set the combination or the product unit price. Go to the pricing section, and as you can see that price per unit is 23.90 we have set here, but let's just save that to reflect on the pricing section. But as you know that this particular option is still disabled, so no per unit price, that is 23.90 will not be yet shown here. But in case if I enable this option, you may notice now that this $22.7 per piece is being shown. Why the price is 22.71 when you might be wondering that I have set 23.90 here? This is because the 5% discount is being applicable on this per unit price too. And after deducting the 5% amount from this 23.90, the effective price of the product or the per piece of a product or the combination of the product comes down to $22.71. So the price is shown accordingly according to the discount. Now the next option is enable filter option and enable sort option. As you can see, the filter option is enabled now. So let's just see how the filter option works. The two options to filter the combination of the product is shown here. You can choose to filter on all the grounds of the combination in case if you have multiple attributes and the combinations are available on those attributes, then multiple options will be available for sorting the combinations of the table for the customer. Let's just sort this by filter this table on the basis of M size. Then as you can see, only M size product are now shown in the table. In case if I choose it to white, then only one combination on the basis of this filter will be shown in the table. You can choose to show or hide this option from the combination table too. In case if you don't want to provide this option to your customer, then it will be hidden from the combination table. Let's just enable it. And next option is enable sort option. You can also allow your customers to sort the combinations on multiple grounds like price low to high or high to low. and the table will accordingly be managed on the basis of that. But as you can see, the combinations are on exactly equal price, that there is no change in the price of any combination. But in case, let's just say or assume that you are offering different combinations of your product on different prices, then your customer will be able to short them on the price, that is low to high or high to low, from here. Then next option is enable bulk add to cart option. This option allows your customers to add multiple products in the cart in one go. As you can see, apart from these add to cart buttons, there is another add to cart button available here at the end of the combination table. I'll just explain you why. In case if your customer clicks on any of the add to cart button available in the table, that is from here to here, then he will only be able to add the particular combinations with the selected quantity into the cart. But let's just say a customer wants to add L size, XL size in white color and black color to all the three into the cart. Then it might be a problem to add them into the cart one by one. So for that case, we have added this bulk add to cart button on below the table, so that he will be able to add the selected quantity of the combinations and the selected combinations in one go. On clicking this add to cart button, we will just go to the checkout page to see what all products are added into the cart. As you can see that this product was already added in the cart. Let's just remove that. You can see that all the products that we have selected are now added into the cart in one go only. Then that bulk add to cart button would be beneficial for such cases where your customer wants to add multiple combinations of a product into the cart. So this was all about the Prestashop product combinations table view module. I hope this video helps you to configure and use the module in the best possible way. Thank you.